explosion at Atomic Junction close to the University of Ghana. The situation led to chaos and a near stampede at nearby areas. At least 7 people were confirmed dead and 134 others injured.
The Central Business District are unable to move to Asaliboche, Adenta and many other areas. You can hear a lot of police sirens arriving here on the ground at this moment. They will not even allow media people to get closer to the place where the explosion happened. A lot of passers-by are standing here. A lot of them had to get down from their vehicles when they had the explosion. They tell me that this whole place was dark, but when the explosion happened, it was lit. It was a ball of fire that was in the air. A lot of them had to get down from their trotros, get down from their private vehicles, and then move away from the scene. Now, there's a woman who is crying in the dark somewhere. I want us to find her. Let's ask her exactly what the situation is. We'll be taking you closer to the main scene of the incident. The police are trying to control the situation. About 3 fire tenders have also gone to the scene. They are trying to control the fire from spreading. It's been raining here also, but as it stands right now, the drizzling has stopped. A lot of people are now gathering here. There's a woman who was crying here. I'm trying to look for her and then find out from her exactly what the situation is, why she's crying, whether she has any relative caught. Okay, so she's right here with me. Let's get closer to her and then find out from her what the situation is. Sister, Mommy, Pacho, what's your name?
Gloria.
Gloria, tell me, what's the situation? Do you have relatives in there?
Yeah. My sister and her kids.
Do they work there or something?
Yeah.
How many children?
2.
Whoa, have you heard from them? Have you tried calling them?
We are calling them, but they are not picking the calls. My dear.
Okay, so Ben is already... Okay, so it's getting terrifying here already. So